Hello everybody, I am Phantom here. So this is the third video in my making a free website series. And this video is going to be on after you have your website, putting it up online with a free domain name and free hosting. Now, if you've so far in the last two videos I've covered basic HTML, so if you want to learn some HTML, watch parts 1 and 2. And if you go back, then it's just basically talk about going to W3 schools if you want to learn any more information that I didn't give out. But basically, right now I'm assuming that you have your website made and that you're trying to find a place to put it up online. So, if you don't have a website made, or even if you do, I suggest going to a place called webs.com. Now, this place, if you don't have a website, you can choose from a ton of templates. They have so many templates you can choose from, and all you have to do is type in the text box down here, and it doesn't have to be laid out like this. It can be laid out any way you really want it to be. And you can put in your own pictures, and it's a lot easier than learning HTML. But if you really want to learn HTML and customize your site, they do offer you to put your own HTML sites up on here. So by doing that, you would just make your account with your email address, your password, and you'd choose your type. And up here, if someone was going to type in your website, they would have to type in, for example, for me, they would type in www.iamphantom.webs.com, because it's sponsored by webs.com. So your subdomain is going to be made with webs.com, which personally a lot of people don't care, but for me, I wanted something that looked a little bit more professional. So I went to this website here called co.cc. And basically what it does is it gives you a free domain name with DNS service. So, really quickly, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a domain name with co.cc. So, if you don't have an account, which I'm assuming you don't, you go to create an account now. And it's going to sit here and load. Not sure why. Okay, there we go. Basically, first name, last name, birthday, email address, password, and then you have to do a CAPTCHA, which I believe you have to do another CAPTCHA once you get in, and they'll send you an email saying you signed up. But I'm going to log into my account because it's just easier that way. So if you want to have your own domain name, just type in like this. This is my new site. And check availability. This might be taken, not sure. Yep, this is my new site, is available for $0. So you want to check down here to make sure this isn't like $6, $5, $4, $3. And pretty much it's if it has that like $5 or $6, you have to pay for it because it's like I wouldn't say popular, but it sounds like another website, so you have to pay for it. But if it's like an own like custom thing, like something random, then you shouldn't have a problem. You shouldn't have to pay anything. So then you continue with registration. I'm going to show you how to do this by logging in my account. So my account is, password, and what is this? Don't like that one. I'll do this one. Okay, sign in. Oops, I forgot the left part. Oh, wow, that's cool. Alright, so, as you can see, mine is iamphantom.co.cc. Now, in order to do this, what I had to do was, once I made it up, it's going to say you need to set up your account within 48 hours. And the reason for this is they don't want people just making a site and then not doing anything with it. So you have to set it up within 48 hours. So in order to set it up, it's going to say something like this. Actually, you know what? I'll make one really quick. It'll take a few seconds. Alright, so manage domain. And how do we do a new domain? Alright, what if I just did it this way? Alright, so really quick, I'll just do I am Phantom stuff. Check availability. It's available for $0. Continue registration. We have received a request for domain registration, and then you say set up. See, 48 hours right there. Not they'll cancel it. So now that you're going to set it up, it's going to say name server, zone record, and URL forwarding. If you already have a website online and you just want to use this to forward your URL, click on this one. So basically when you type in your co.cc, it will redirect you to your website. So basically if my website was www.iamphantom.com and I had a co.cc, I could say iamphantom.co.cc and it would take me to iamphantom.com. But if you don't have a website already, which I'm assuming you don't, click on name server. And it's going to give you server 1 and name server 2. Now, in order to know what these servers' names are, you're going to need to get a web hosting. So, I like to use a website called 000, webhost.com. And then what this does, it's for $0, it's free. You get 1.5 gigabytes of storage. Your bandwidth is 100 gigabytes a month. You get 5 add-on domains, 5 subdomains, 5 email addresses, so you can have email your website at .co.cc. You have 2 SQL databases. You get a simple site builder, which the advanced site builder is much better, but I would just, for free, it's actually pretty good. You can back up your stuff, PHP, cron jobs, IMAP, and password protect. This I like because let's say you have a web page that is just specific for you and you really don't want anyone else seeing it. You can just password protect the folder. Once I get there, I'll show you guys how to do it. And once you password protect the folder, you should be the only one to be able to access it because they'll prompt you for a password. So right now you need to go to, well, you would sign up obviously, but I'm just going to log into my account to make things easier. Sign up is pretty much the same thing as the same thing as co.cc. Just have to do a CAPTCHA, just like right now. And boom, now you're in. So as you can see, I have one domain, and I can add another domain. So I just have to make a new one, not a big deal. I can get rid of it later. Create new. My thing was iamphantomstuff.co.cc. I want to host my domain. Alright, stuff.co.cc, and then we choose a password. Set up new account. Password is too simple. Must be. Wow, I thought I typed a number. Alright, that's better. So now that we have our account made, I cut that because it showed my username and password. I don't know why they would do that. The password should be a little blurred, but whatever, I'll cut that part out. So basically, now that I have my iamphantomstuff.co.cc, we need to click on it to start building. So as you can see, if you clicked on the name, it just shows this because you don't have anything to link to. So now we're going to refresh status, active. Now go to cPanel. Now basically up here it's going to show you the names of the servers. And it says you need to update the name servers to NS01 and NS02.00webhost.com. So you can just copy one like this. Copy. Put that into here. Paste it again and just change this to 2. And boom. Alright, so now that we have the name servers, you say setup, and it's going to take 48 hours to update. So there you go. It can take anywhere between 2 hours and 48, I guess, because yeah. They need to just make connection with the 2 servers. So I cannot show you right now on this domain how to upload your site, but I'll show you on my iamphantom.co.cc site. So we go to list accounts, iamphantom.co.cc, go, and then we go into the file manager. If it doesn't work the first time, click on it again. Alright, see, there it worked. Now The important thing is never upload anything to the first directory. It even gives you a note, do not upload here. What you're going to do is go into public, and this is where all your files are going to be put. All your images, all your pages, everything. So if you're going to upload the page that I made, we would need to go to the upload directory, or make new directory, which will, and I'll name it test site. You don't have to make a new directory, because the new directory is basically like right now, this is the site I'm at, and then slash, between the two slashes is the directory name, and then this is the site I'm on. Oops, I don't know what I just did, but whatever, go back. Alright, so I made a new directory just because I like to keep things kind of neat, and I will upload to this directory. Browse, gotta go, oh, desktop, perfect. Video tutorial page, already have mobile, I'll do mobile again, and smiles. Now, once you're done with that, you're going to click the check mark. It'll say files uploaded and files are okay. So, back. And then if you want to view your site, all you have to do is say open. And this is some text. The images are not showing up. Why is that? So if you're having this problem, you need to go back into your thingamabob and check. Oh, I know what the problem is. The JPG is lowercase, and in my coding I had it uppercase. So as you can see, another example of why case sensitivity is important. JPG and JPG, and then you would just save the file, go back, and then if we say open, oops, wrong thing, that's my crappy smiley face. File manager, public, not M, I need to go to yuck. Well, really messing up bad. Alright, public, test site, and video tutorial page, and you click open, and boom, that's the site we had made before. Now, basically, if you want to make this your home page, the one site, you're going to need to call it index.html, and you're going to put it into the first, the public folder, directly into the public folder. So like, where's my index on HTML? See right here. This is my index on HTML, and if I open it, imphantom.co.cc/index.html is the first page you see. So if I type in just the name, imphantom.co.cc, press enter, it takes me to the index.html, and then my home page. And all you have to do is just change put all of your pages into the public folder, and it'll just say slash whatever page. It won't have any extra slashes in there. So I hope this video helped you, and in my next video I'm going to show you how to set up email accounts to your website, so you'll have your email at yoursite.co.cc. Alright guys.